The bull flag pattern here, guys, AMD, we're going to clearly see a breakout here pre-market as it creates the flag and resistance 1 here. And now what we clearly need to see is a pullback towards the support 1 here, and you clearly see that move as it pulls back here to the VWAP and clearly makes a support here at that 32 mark, creating support 1. Now what we really need to see is that extension and breakout right back towards the resistance, creating kind of the capture of emotion and volume in the stock. This actually creates resistance 2 here that holds the breakout here and then pulls back, creating support number 2. Now we got some consolidation here as traders are really building the pattern, as we got resistance 1, support 1, resistance 2, and support 2 here. Now we're going to look for that resistance 3, but really what we need to pay attention here is going to be the declining of volume as the third resistance push, because we don't want it to break out here. We want it to consolidate. So as it recreates that resistance 3 here, we want the volume actually declining and the pullback happening here. Now the only variable missing is support number 3. Let's see if we get this pullback here to support 3 here, and boom, you clearly see it there at 32.12 for support number 3 here. So now that we have support number 3, this is the line in the sand here. Now, no matter what, as long as it holds support number 3, we're going to go ahead long this pattern here. This is our bull flag, and we're going to look for our entry. Now that we have our known risk and known reward, we always want to calculate risk versus reward. We want at least a 2-to-1 trade on this. So we're going to get in here at 32.12s with a risk of 32.07 and a profit of 32.22. A 10-cent profit for a 5-cent risk here. The real key here, the stock holding that support there, and then we're holding risk at the next support. The bull flag completing the pattern here as we've gotten that 1 up, 1 down, 2 up, 2 down, 3 up, 3 down, and then the breakout. The buy after the rule of 3 here on the bull flag pattern. This is a rule that I came up with after seeing those multiple series of resistance and support touches. Now that we've seen the rule of 3, let's watch as the volume increases with the pattern breakout here. It's very vital to the bull flag that we get that volume increasing on the pattern breakout. And that is the bull flag long pattern here. As you can clearly see, it's a series of resistance and support touches that lead to a long breakout. If you guys want to go ahead and check out more strategy breakdowns like this, we have an excellent mini series on beginner trading. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the like button down below, and definitely check us out as we trade live every single morning about 8 a.m. Eastern, breaking down our patterns and our strategies live in front of you. Beginner in, beginner out.